Hello friends and welcome to Study Center. In this series of videos, we'll be discussing about important national and international days, and we'll be covering 1 month in each video. You'll be getting at least one question from this topic, be it any competitive examination. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. This will be helpful for your exams. With that being said, let's get started. 1st of April is Utkal Divas or Odisha Day. On 1st April 1936, Odisha was formed as a separate state out of Bihar, Bengal and Madras. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. World Autism Awareness Day is on 2nd April. On this day, we take measures to raise awareness about people with autistic spectrum disorder. Autism is basically a developmental disorder. People having autism have difficulties with social interaction and communication, and their behavior are very restricted and repeated. National Maritime Day is on 5th April. It is an historical day for India in the field of navigation, as on this date in 1990, SS Loyalty, the first ship of the Skindia Steam Navigation Company Limited, journeyed to United Kingdom. The theme of 2020 is Sustainable Shipping for a Sustainable Planet. World Health Day is on 7th April. It is the establishment date of World Health Organization, that is on 7th April 1948. WHO is a specialized agency of United Nations responsible for international public health. Headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Present Director General is Tedros Adhanom. And the theme of 2020 is Support Nurses and Midwives. World Homeopathy Day is on 10th April. It is the birth date of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. He is considered as the father of homeopathy system of medicines. According to homeopathy, simila similibus curantur, that is, likes can cure likes. And the theme of 2020 is Enhancing the Scope of Homeopathy in Public Health. National Safe Motherhood Day is on 11th April. It is the birth anniversary of Kasturba Gandhi, the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. It is an initiative of the White Ribbon Alliance of India to enforce that women must have the availability and adequate access to care during pregnancy, childbirth and postnatal services. 13 April is a dark day in Indian history. On this date in 1919, people have gathered at Jallianwala Bagh to protest against the arrest of two of their favorite nationalist leaders. The British troop cold-bloodedly opened fire into an unarmed crowd without any warning by General Dyer, which had assembled at the enclosed park for the public meeting that was banned. According to the estimates, about 1,000 persons were killed and about 2,000 were wounded in this massacre. World Hemophilia Day is on 17th April. On this day, we increase awareness about hemophilia disease and other inherited bleeding disorders. In 1989, World Hemophilia Day was started by World Federation of Hemophilia in honor of WFH founder Frank Scanevel's birthday. Hemophilia is a mostly inherited genetic disorder that impairs the body's ability to make blood clots. Blood clot is a process needed to stop bleeding. World Heritage Day is on 18th April. We celebrate this day to preserve the human heritage and to preserve vulnerability to the heritage sites and monuments. This day was announced by the International Council on Monuments and Sites in 1982. The theme of 2020 is Shared Cultures, Shared Heritage, Shared Responsibility. Friends, I hope you are finding this session informative and helpful. If yes, then do like this video. We'll be making more such contents related to the competitive exams. To stay connected, consider subscribing to our channel. Next important day for the month of April is World Earth Day. We celebrate World Earth Day on 22nd April every year to demonstrate our support for environmental protection. In 1969, at a UNESCO conference in San Francisco, peace activist John McConnell proposed a day to honor the earth and the concept of peace. It was first to be celebrated on 21st March 1970, which is the first day of spring in the Northern Hemisphere. The theme of this year is climate action. National Panchayati Raj Day is on 24th April. On this day, a new part in the Constitution, Part 9, was added by passing the 73rd Amendment Act from Article 243 to 243O, titled the Panchayats, and a new 11 schedules consisting of 29 subjects within the functions of Panchayat were also added. Panchayats are basically formed on the recommendation of Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Panchayati Raj system is a 3-tier system in our country that have Gram Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level and Jilla Parishad at the district level. 25th April is World Malaria Day. It is celebrated to raise awareness about the disease malaria, how to control it, and how to eradicate it completely. The theme of this year is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. World Intellectual Property Day is on 26th April. It is celebrated to raise awareness of how patents, copyrights, trademarks, and design impacts our daily life. It is celebrated by World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO, which has its headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland, and the theme of this year is Innovate for a Green Future. So those are some important days for the month of April for exam point of view. If I have missed something, then do let me know in the comment section. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next session.